Hi everyone. So I'm here explaining the solution of the Codeforces round 643 division 2. So the first problem is the sequence with digits. So here we have given a equation in which an plus 1 is equals to an plus smallest into largest digit of the array A. So we have to do it for t test cases and k times, as we are provided a variable k here. You can read the question, pause the video, and here I am going to proceed further in the details in the code. So like we have to do this k times. So 1 second. So we have the code here. You can so put the link. I'll put the link here for the summation, and you can check the code here also. So for every t-test cases, we are running the loop for k times, in which we are going to update the value of the array A. We will find the largest and the smallest value in the array by conducting this loop, which will go on for log n times, as we are decrementing it by like a factor of 10 every time. We are dividing n by 10, so it will take log n times. So like we are extracting digits by modulus operation, and we are updating the largest and smallest by normal max and min operation, and we are updating the a value by a is equals to a plus largest to smallest. So like the problem in this problem, the main thing is the corner case. When k is quite large and the largest or the smallest number, either of them is 0. So what will happen then? If either of them is 0, then we will not be updating the a, and we will still be running the loop k times. Then it makes no sense, because any updation won't come after that. So we'll put this corner case in this loop, that if largest or smallest is equals to 0, then we come out of the loop and print the value of a. It was quite straightforward. Then we will go to the second problem, which is the young leadership problem. So in the young explorer problem, we will be given t test cases and n inputs, simply an array of n integers, in which we are going to explain like we have to form groups. We have to form groups in such a way that we have to maximize the number of groups, and in this problem, like this is a greedy approach. So we will just form groups with the lowest size first, so that we have the maximum number of elements in the other half. So in this thing, see, you can see here, like this is a very vague example, 1 1 1, everyone knows 3 groups would be made, and in this problem 2 3 1 2 2. So what we'll do is we will sort the array so that we can find the minimum element every time we iterate. So we sort the array, and then it comes like 1 2 2 2 3. So we'll form our first group with only 1, second group with 2 elements 2 2, third group would not be formed because it has 2 3, and for third group to be formed, there should be a one more element, either a 2 or a 3, or like anything less than equals to 3. So if it would be greater than 3, then like if it would be 4, then we will have to have 4 elements in the group. That's what the problem says. So moving to the solution, we can check here that we have sorted the array after taking inputs, and this is just the counter variable. Every time a successful subset I will find, I will increment the count by 1. So for every n iterations, we have the variable k, which signifies the length of the current subset, and a variable beginning, like what was the value of the maximum element in this array. So like you can name it like maximum or anything you want. So I'll run the loop for the range of k till I is less than n, obviously, so that it won't like boundary errors won't be there. And if I'll increment the I and decrement the k every time, because we have gulped in the new number every time. And if k is equals to 0, we simply come out of the loop by incrementing c++, and our work is done for the current iteration. And else, this is the main thing here, that these two lines are important, or you can say 3. So if the current element is greater than the current maximum, like we found a new maximum, then we have to increment the range of the range further we have to go by the difference of the current maximum and the current value. So there was 2 and there was, now ai becomes 3 and the beginning was 2, so we have to iterate for one more, like 3 minus 2, so k plus is equals to 1, and update the value of the current maximum by ai. So like this we will proceed, and we are done with the problem, and it will perform well, and I'll link the submission in the video. Thank you for watching.